In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Kit. We'll walk through the entire process from inside your Kit account so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to draft, set up, and send a newsletter to your audience with confidence. Once you're logged in, start by heading to the area where you manage one-off emails. At the top navigation, look for the option labeled Send, and then click on Broadcasts. Broadcasts are what Kit uses for newsletters or any single email you want to send to a group of subscribers at once. On the Broadcast page, you'll see a list of any previous newsletters you've sent. To create a brand new one, click the button that says New Broadcast. This opens up the setup flow for your newsletter. Next, Kit will ask you to choose how you want to design your email. Here, you can either pick one of the existing templates or select the option called Starting Point if you want to build your newsletter from scratch. Templates are great if you already have a look and feel you like, or if you want something visually polished without spending too much time. The Starting Point option is better if you want full control over layout and style, or if you prefer a very simple text-focused newsletter. Once you've chosen your template or starting point, you'll be taken into the editor. This is where you write your actual newsletter content. Take your time to craft a clear, engaging message for your subscribers. You can add headings, paragraphs, links, and any other elements your template supports. While you are writing, make sure to fill in the subject line field as well. The subject line is what your subscribers will see in their inbox first, so keep it concise, descriptive, and aligned with the content of your email. A good subject line can significantly improve your open rates. After you're happy with your content and subject line, move forward by clicking Continue. Now you'll choose your recipients. You can send your newsletter to all subscribers, or you can narrow it down using specific tags. Tags are useful if you want to target certain segments, like new subscribers, customers, or people interested in a particular topic. When your audience is selected, click Continue again. On this final screen, you'll decide whether to send your newsletter right away using Send Now, or schedule it for a specific date and time using the scheduling option. Scheduling can be helpful if you want your newsletter to arrive at your audience's peak reading time. Once that's set, you're ready. Your newsletter in Kit is created and either on its way or scheduled to go out exactly when you want.